brought anything new in. Camera.
So, thank you, sirs. Sir, plural.
We used to call them wing wings.
Yeah, and then they got rid of them.
At least he's got it on his phone. His helmet says the helmet last time. Come here.
You're talking earlier.
Applause to the stage in no particular order. Let's hear for Jennifer. Come on now, big round of applause. Lori, Elizabeth, and Desiree. And Kim. One of these very lovely young ladies will be our winner for this afternoon's festivities. Who will it be? Woo! I tell you what, in my hand I have the list of the semifinalists, and if somebody doesn't come over here right now and tell me who won, I'm going to pick my own winner.
Rock and Ron from Rock 102.1. Do we have any fans out there today? I got some good news. We're working on trying to get our signal boost sometime early next year. So look out. Once we get that signal cranked up, we are going to kick San Diego's butt. You know it. All right, look what I got in my hand. I have the results. Is anybody interested? Are they? All right, taking the third place spot, we have Desiree Rando. Third place. Congratulations, Desiree. Yeah. Even though all the ladies are lovely looking, everybody deserves a prize. If I had more prizes, I'd give each one of them one, I'll tell you. All right, and taking the second place spot is Lori Wilford. Are you here? Yeah. And you guys really don't want to know who's number one, do you? Do you? Come here. They can do better than that, can't they? Let's hear it. Come on. All right, taking the number one, the first place spot is Elizabeth Britton. All right, congratulations, Elizabeth. Let's give all the ladies a round of applause for doing a fine job for us today. And thank everybody for coming out and joining us. Get down to partying now. That's it. You can still show them how much you appreciate the ladies getting out there. All of them did a fine job. Wow. Oh my goodness, there's the first place trophy going out to Elizabeth Britton. And the number two spot going out to Lori Wilford and Desiree Randu grabbing the third place spot. All the ladies looking fine, I'll tell you.
Thank you very much, folks. Thank you, ladies. Aren't they beautiful? Boy, I finally wormed my way up on stage. My name's David Strait. I'm with the campground. I wanted to tell you what Miss Bay Fair represents. Elizabeth is going to be not only representing Campland, but she's representing the Bay Fair Festival, which next week happens right across
The boats race.
He's going to start his motorcycle. I want an extreme close-up on the
Not yet.
All right. You did?
Just right, dude.
Yeah,
You were checking
got
stuff.
super tight
Yep,
Harley
here.
Davidson.
Monitors are working too?
You ought to see us. He's got vision.
Hey, Randy! Haven't you? You know what? It's going to get it on angle. Pleasure, monsieur. Pleasure. Turn it up.